Alright, in this video we are creating the countdown program. So let's enter inside the main function. First I will create one variable int I. After that I have to display one message. That's why I'm using the printf function. Inside that writing that message is countdown. Okay. After that I'm using a for loop and initializing that loop with I equals to 5 because I want that countdown from 5 to 1. So starting with 5 and I should be greater than equal to 1, and after every number get printed I want to go in a reverse manner. That's why I'm using the I minus minus decrement. Now it's time to display that number, so using the printf function, inside that we are using the %d that will represent the integers I. Now we are using the one new function, its name is sleep function, that will help us to delay the printing of each number. So I am giving here the time 2000 milliseconds. So after every 2000 milliseconds new number get printed. It's time to save it and now build and run. You can see the output. First 5 is in printed, after some time 4 is printed, then 3, then 2, and then 1.